Enshongeji ezire kumanya mu kiganiro cy'abazire ekitebekanisiibwe Reverend Canon John Murindabigwi kandi kibira har Kamwenge Vocational Secondary School omu district ya Kamwenge.
Harimo abana binjye abicyafasha kare uyabuze umwana kurwo mu primary ya kashatu yakana akaza kushwera kandi barimo abapisi rero wapisi ugongo no mukifu bati nahanga kinakwa
abana mukume mubashabiro mugisha mwabashabiro mugisha nyonyine amasiko agahamire ngo abana bitu bino bwenge kandi ntibabasha kushoma barume.
Mu kiganiro iki kishangirwe ngo n'abazire bingi tubakamanyira kabaka ari mu kwinjira abana bakiri bato no barabe n'ibende mpiho kurabira mu njugano
kibasa kumarwaho bwegese ubw'amazima ubwegese obuhikire butari bwo kubahuza no cyamunongo kwekorera no kumanya ngo hariho ibiri kwetengwa kumanya no cyamunongo takagira umaka
ensonga habwaki abazaire batakweyuniramo no kusomesa abana babo mu kichweka kinu abazaire abayingi tibakwenihira umuzaire kubotenihira ukagumisiriza ukamanya kikicholi reba wenyuma
twazo mu district ya Rwampara abazire bashabira kutamana mu kushomesa abana babo nko muringo gukombekanya insya yabo. Ebi begambirwa mu korwa kusiyemo kwikaje buzo bya UBTEB ahagwitendekere ya Rwampara Farm Institute mu district ya Rwampara.
Thank you so much. Mwelembezi Godwin
sabana maganana evira 5 nabici kandi 15 nabuzo abana evira 5 bakakora first class.
This academic excellence is homegrown. It does not come by accident. Number one, as you told us here, number one, it is because of discipline.
Umukoro guhona gubire gurnogo kwakira beja basya kandi hinintande bakomirwe.
Utakagiri ituma ryo kwita konke ryo gukora aho kwati kwenda ngo orugaho tine chogize iki echo yegere ko
ekiba kweta value addition ejo ne huru ya president ebintu ebimukureba nebyesente nyingi ebyo nebintu biri omunda the renovation of that incubation hub, the attire that they put on, the ambience that you feel when you enter.
Mahatma Gandhi, the former leader of India, when he had grown to an adult and people saw that he was about to die, in the Gandhi assembly, the Indians invited him. They looked at him, he was about to die, and said, come and tell us 3 things that will make India great. And the old man, Mahatma Gandhi, said, the first thing that would make India important one is education.
Gasha kwa Anthony Twini hamwe na Susan Charsima.